Hey everybody, so the sun is shining, oh my gosh, right into my face. But I hope you have been doing well. Singapore is currently in phase 2 heightened alert in terms of COVID news. And so there are like no dine-in, all the restaurants are completely empty and there's a lot less people on the road, I have to tell you that. Worst of all is that I have to stop my makeup services, so unfortunately I can't even do makeup, but I have been doing well and okay so far, and I hope you are okay in your respective country as well. Because I miss makeup so much, I decided to film this and I hope you enjoy it. It's a little random, it's all a little collection of things that I have sitting around and that I haven't really tried or got to use yet, or things that I really like. So yeah, let's get started with doing some makeup. Alright, so the first thing I'm going in with is my COSRX moisturizer, and this is the Comfort Ceramide Cream. I freaking love this moisturizer. It's so good. It's a ceramide cream, so it's really good for sensitive skin. It kind of feels a little on the thicker side, so it's not like one of those like really thin, lightweight kind of items, but my skin normally is quite dry, so I always use it. I really like how it feels too, and I always recommend it to all my students who come here. The COSRX Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. This is my all-time favorite sunscreen I've ever used. It feels so hydrating. I'm just going in and it smells so good. I always feel like you need a lot, like a considerable amount of sunscreen. It's not just like a little bit. And you're just gonna smooth that over and apply it. The foundation that I'm currently using is the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. It goes in really smooth, it matches really well. Always distribute your foundation first so that you don't put like a massive amount. I'm using my BloomKIT base brush. This is one of my makeup brushes. If you guys don't know, I have my own makeup brushes. You can buy them. We're actually having a sale right now. It's 20% off. I don't really like to put too much foundation. I find like something like this is more natural. My favorite all-time concealer right now is this. This is the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage Brighten and Correct Duo concealer side, and they also have like an illuminating cream side. I'll just mark this out. I heard there's like a lifting technique like that. A little bit here. I have like a zit here. Just go in like that. And then I'm gonna blend it first with my brush. I like to just like dab it when I'm blending concealer instead of doing strokes, and that will prevent streaking. Look, it's really good because it blends so well into the skin. This is the brightening side now, and I'm just gonna pretty much put it in the same place. It doesn't really look that obvious, but I feel like it does work. Just blending that through. So we have my base. So for powder, I've been using this. This is from BSKIN. I've actually never heard of this brand before. They actually sent this powder to me, and they sent it in the most amazing way. I still remember it because they sent it with donuts. Like actual donuts, and I was so happy because they're from this bakery called Sour Bomb, and I've actually been following them on Instagram for the longest time, and I was like, I've always wanted to try their donuts, and guys, this powder came with the donuts, and I was like, guys, this powder's legit. So it's like a bit of more of a skin tone color, and it's a little bit more moist and hydrating than the other powders we all know and love, like the Laura Mercier one. And I usually actually use the puff if I want to like bake the skin. But right now I just want to do like a loose setting. So I'm going in with my BloomKIT powder brush, and I'm just applying that all over my face. Alright, so my face is done. I'm actually going in with my cheeks first. So this is actually something I was really excited about and still am. This is from Hindash, the Beautopsy palette. It's quite an interesting palette because it's a bunch of different colors, and you can actually like mix and match your own colors to create like the colors that you want. So I'm gonna contour my face with tan, the shade in tan, and it's like a all-round pigment palette, so you can use it to do your eyes, you can use it to do your face as well. Tan's a really good like contour shade for me. I'm just taking a little bit of the Boy and Wonder. This is for my blush. Doing on my apples, my cheeks. Then working my way up. It's quite full in terms of color, so I might blend that with my powder brush initially. And a little bit here. Blend that. So that's my cheeks. This is not really shiny for highlighter, but I can still use it. So I'm gonna take the white and I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna take Lines and Wet. And you can see it's nice. Like I haven't done matte highlighter in like ages. And blend everything. And I can just take a little bit of that powder and just soften all my lines. This is from Hourglass. It's their Ambient palette, as you can see. And I really love the whole palette actually. I didn't use it because I wanted to use a Hindash one, but this is for contouring, blush, highlighter, and finishing powders. I feel like I'm a little matte and I just kind of want a little bit of glow. I'm just like buffing my whole face with this, and I feel like my glow has come back a lot. Isn't that beautiful? Like the ambient light powders are always so pretty. Highlighter and just dust some like across my cheeks. There we go. This is my eyebrow pencil. Has been so for like the longest time. This is from Innisfree. It's their Autobrow pencil, my favorite one. I'm just gonna line the bottom of my brows. What kind of brow shape do you guys do? I just follow like what's there really. But the key to doing this is that like keep your brow pencil straight like this, not like this. And you can get much finer details. Some natural sunlight going now. I'm going in with my concealer just all over the eyelid. There. It's always really good to like tilt your head up and see your whole eyelid. My Gold Getter palette. This is from an Indonesian brand called Lavie, but they have it, you can get it in Singapore at on Shopee I believe, or Lazada. So it's available. And they sent me, actually Lavie, like one of the founders is my friend, so I'm always supporting her and her brand. This is an eyeshadow palette and it's beautiful. I'm going in with the shade Multitask, and let's just round out my sockets with Multitask. I haven't done makeup in ages, so let's do something, you know. Peach shade, my blending brush, just softening that through. I'm gonna go with Cashmere. I think it's quite natural looking, so I can use my brush. Just gonna apply that all over my eyelid. Because these are like foils, it's really good with your fingers also actually. Let's just do that. Okay, with Faux Fur for my outer corner. I'm just gonna do my outer corner. You see how I cascade it down to my lash line? And then we're gonna go with my lower lash line with my Slim Smudger brush. So this, let's get the matte one. Just dab it in. And then like intensify the color on the top. Blend it. I can take my finger with white Truffle. It's the center color. And just dab a little bit in the center, just for a little bit more sparkle. Some highlighter. I don't like to put too much though. It does make your eyes bigger. Okay, so I just finished my eyeliner, and as you can see, I love a good wing. even on a like natural daily basis. I feel like without my wing, and if I don't have eyelash extensions, my eyes look super small. So I always feel like I need a substantial wing. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyelashes. Just gonna curl my lashes. And the mascara that I'm using is from this Korean brand called Giverny. You can get it at the Makeza online store. It has a super tiny brush. I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the half lashes. So we're gonna unbox these. They come with some glue actually. I've never tried these before. They actually also label them right and left. I find that pretty cool. This is the eyelash. It's actually so pretty. This is so pretty and feels like nothing. Oh my gosh. And I feel like they totally open up the eyes. Okay guys, the sun is literally in my face, but I guess you will have to make do. By the way, these lashes are so good. They feel like nothing, absolutely, but it just makes such a big difference to my face. Okay, so for lips, I'm going in with this Indonesian brand. It's from Secondate, and it's like a really big Indonesian brand. They sent me some lip products, and I was like, oh my gosh, I've heard about them online, and I was like pretty excited to try them. And I love them, guys. These are so good because they go on creamy, but they turn into a tint that doesn't transfer into your mask. So the color I'm wearing is Brunch. And this is like the perfect natural color. How pretty is Brunch? Alright, so this is what Brunch looks like. It kind of goes on like really shiny and glossy to begin with, and it doesn't feel dry like other tints do. And I just love how it's such a natural shade, but it doesn't transfer, especially on your mask, and it's like so pretty. Such a good shade. So this is the completed look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. I haven't like done makeup in like such a long time, and I thought I would film a YouTube makeup tutorial. Like I feel like I haven't done that in a long time. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.